So the next concept that we need to learn in this is horizon. Horizon. See, when we go to the fields, imagine this is a field and we are standing here. Okay, so we have these fields in front of us. In long distance, what happens is there are some hills also, and we feel, the sky. The sky is coming down, and it's touching these hills. Okay, or when we go to these beaches, we often see the ocean, right? We are standing here. We have this huge ocean stretched in front of us, and in a far away distance, we have this sky coming down and touching this earth, the water. Right? So this point where the earth touches the sky, or the sky and the earth meet. There's the earth, it's the sky, and there is some point where the earth and the sky meet. Okay, and that point is called the horizon. Right? The earth and the sky meet is called the horizon. But actually, it's a feeling that we have. It appears to be meeting. Right? So as we were standing here, and we felt this is the horizon. Okay? Imagine we are standing here and looking this side. Then we feel the earth and the sky meets here. Okay? So actually the sky and the earth will never meet. And why do we feel it so? Why do we think the earth and the sky meet? Because the earth is spherical shape. It's like a ball kind of a structure, na? So when we look from here, we feel the sky is coming down and touching on that. It is just because of the shape of the earth that we feel the earth and the sky touch each other. Okay? Actually, it never touches. We feel as we go towards it, there's a meeting point also is moving away from us. Okay? So when we look from here, the sky meets the earth on the hill, and when we look from here, the sky meets the earth on the farms. It is just because of the shape of the earth that we feel. Okay? Earth never meets the sky. So horizon is such kind of an imaginary place or a point where the sky appears to have met the earth. Okay? So horizon is an imaginary point where the sky appears to have met the earth. Clear? So the next concept that we need to learn is cost. Cost. So cost is, what we can say, a point where the land and the water meets. Not at a riverside, but in the seas and oceans. Okay, when we go to the beach, we can see the land comes there and the sea. It's quite beautiful there, isn't it? So one side is complete water. There is no land seen anywhere, and here we have Here we have a land. Okay. So this particular part where the land meets water, oceans or seas, is called the coast. Okay? A coast is a place where the land meets the water bodies like the seas and oceans. It's very interesting to watch something from the coast. Or when we have ocean here and we have a coast. We are standing here and we are looking into the ocean. Okay, and imagine a ship is coming. Okay, so when we first look at this ship, we cannot see the complete ship over there. Yeah, I'll draw it here. Okay, we cannot see this complete ship. The first thing that what we could see is this part. Okay, so change the color. The top part of the ship with the smoke coming out of it and the docks. We cannot see the entire ship. As the ship moves on, what happens is we will have the first view of the ship. But again, it's not complete. Okay, as the ship moves in, we can see a bit more of it. Why is it so? Why is it happening so? It is because the earth is spherical in a shape. As say, when we look from here, based on the shape of the earth, it goes like this. Isn't it? So, first when we look, we cannot see the ship, but only the topmost part of it is seen. Say for example, if this is here and the ship is coming, what happens is, first we can see only the top part. And as it comes in close, more part of the ship will be visible. Okay, so coast and horizon are two areas which makes it assured that earth is a round in shape and not a flat. Okay, coast and horizons are two things that makes it assured that earth is not flat, round in shape. Clear? That's it. So now we will go on to the exercise part of it.